Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by bringing the font file into Unity. Drag a TTF or OTF into Assets or use Import New Asset. Once imported, click the Font Asset and choose Character Settings, Dynamic for varied glyphs, or specify a Unicode range if you need a subset. Make sure the font's font texture settings match your target resolution so text renders crisply. Also verify the asset's import settings and compression to avoid visual artifacts while you move to assign it. Next, assign the font to UI elements. Select a text component and set the font field to your imported asset. If you use Text Mesh Pro, generate a TMP font asset from the font via Window Text Mesh Pro font asset, then assign that TMP asset to the Text Mesh Pro component. Once assigned, adjust font size, line spacing, and font style to match layout. Make sure you preview in-game view and different screen sizes so scaling and kerning behave as expected before finalizing. To finish, apply the font to prefabs, UI styles, and theme assets so changes propagate across scenes. Once done, test in-game view and on target devices to confirm size, spacing, and quality. Adjust scale and atlas resolution if needed. If characters are missing or show tofu squares, regenerate the Text Mesh Pro Atlas with the required Unicode range or switch character mode to dynamic. Finally, make sure to save font settings in source control and document any custom materials used for clarity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.